The tiny workers are extremely busy today, harvesting a giant fruit together with great coordination. These AI mini food build videos are currently going viral on Instagram, attracting millions of views across social media platforms. Although these videos look incredibly surreal and almost impossible in real life, the creation process is actually very simple. So in today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create these videos using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts. I've already placed a powerful master prompt in the description. First, open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt into the chat box, then hit enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate some highly creative ideas for you. You can choose any one of them and reply to ChatGPT with your selection. Once you do that, ChatGPT will instantly generate both a detailed text-to-image prompt and an image-to-video prompt. Step 2. Create the image. For this step, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now launch Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Image, Image Generator, choose Text to Image. In this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana 2 model to generate the image. Next, copy the text-to-image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. After that, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. As you can see, the final image quality is truly stunning and highly detailed. Step 3. Generate the video. Now go to AI Image, My Creations. Select the image generated by Edimakor, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. Edimakor provides multiple advanced AI models, allowing you to experiment with different styles all within a single platform, which makes the workflow extremely convenient. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kling 3 AI model to generate the video. After that, paste the image-to-video prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box. Then set the duration and mode, and click Generate. Let's take a look at the final result. The video quality is really impressive. Step 4. Export the video. Finally, move to the top right control panel and click Export to save your video. If you successfully upload your video to YouTube and include Edimakor's tag, you can even earn extra credits from Edimakor. And that's everything for today's tutorial. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.